Welcome to ninth grade Honors Physical Science. My name is Mrs. Ulrich. I'm here at Eastridge High School's room 1020. If you need to reach me, it's best to use my Sawashko address, which is KOELLERI, the @ sawashko.org. I will post everything your student will need in Schoology. That's assignments, anything for grading. They have the code to the classroom and they must use their app's account. They cannot use any other email account. The areas we're going to study, the first part of the school year, which is all of first trimester and part of second trimester, will be chemistry. We will cover matter, atoms in the periodic table, ionic and covalent bonding, chemical reactions, how we balance equations, write equations, solutions, mixtures, acids, and bases. Second part of the year, we will do physics, engineering, and building, which is the magnetism, electricity, and energy, alternative energy sources, sound waves, sound, electromagnetic spectrum, speed, and force. The syllabus will be posted on my Schoology site for each student as well as yourself to look at. On the very last page of the syllabus in Schoology, I need a parent or guardian's name and signature. So just print the name and the email address where I can reach you if necessary. I don't always do it just for bad things. Sometimes I like to email the parents to let them know their student is doing an excellent job as well. It's nice to get good emails as well as crappy emails. We're always going to have everything in Schoology. When we get face-to-face, we will start to have some labs. Otherwise, they're going to be demos by myself. We will send out a safety agreement at that time. As the chemical hygiene officer for this school, I have to follow all of OSHA's guidelines, and their big one is no food, drink, or gum in a science classroom, period, because our lab space is attached to our lecture space. If we do any labs that involve Bunsen burners or acids and bases, students must have long pants, closed-toed shoes, as well as long hair must be pulled back. Again, right now I'm doing demos. Unfortunately, we cannot do labs because the students would be too near each other, and we're also using the lab space to spread the students out enough. The grading will be done in Schoology. 80% will be summative. That's tests, which I call full size or mini size, because the school board classifies a quiz as a formative assessment. Quizzes to me just mean a smaller version of a test. So we'll go full size or mini size. The second category is the formative, which is daily work, labs or demos where there will be an assignment with it, so the students will have to pay attention to what's being done, as well as a checkoff category that's not worth any points. It's just where I make note if they've done the notes or not. Did they do readings or did they just look at PowerPoints and just that's it? If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, my name is Mrs. Ulrich. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.